wala kang munang message sa akin ng diretsyo ka nun. Ngayon daw, meron ka nang sasabihin sa akin.
May message mo naman sa iyo?
Nahiya siya ba mga ganito eh? Kawaya, baby, ano ba?
Magme-message yung tao!
Okay, okay.
Ano daw? Mamaya! Magsawa kayo. At sa mga kinakakis kami. Tignan natin kung hindi kayo magreklamo at hindi dapat yung tinasin. Shucks, dapat demure. I just wanna say... Okay, seryoso na ito. Kasi, uwi kasi. Unang-una po sa lahat, gusto ko lang po kayong pasalamatan isa-isa. Kung meron man pong magpo-post ng video nito online, sa mga nanood po ng day 1, day 2, maraming salamat po for choosing to be with TJ these past 2 days. Di po kayo nagkamali sa taong susuportahan. Kasi kung gano'n po siya ka-generous on stage, sa puso niya, kung paano siya magkwento sa inyo, kung paano siya nag-i-inspire, nag-i-encourage sa inyo na nanonood niya. Ganon siya off stage. This person is an example of God's testament that He is the God of everything. Na kaya niyang i-compress ang time. Kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo. And kaya niyang ibigay yung lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa isang ganun. Sobrang akong grateful that I get to witness that every single day for the rest of our lives. Kasi aside from being a great artist, singer, songwriter, head of his own label, husband, dada to our dogs, son-in-law, brother, TJ is my inspiration. Kasi, as an artist, I also feel like I'm in my season of waiting. And that sometimes I feel like it's time to just throw in the towel and give up on music and on everything. But every time I wake up in the morning and I look to my left, I see this man. And I am reminded that a few years ago, he was going to give up. But he chose to fight. And in less than a year, he is now one of the most streamed artists in the Philippines. He is the first male solo act to sell out at a Metropolitan 3 nights in the freaking world. So, on behalf of all of us, and everybody watching, wherever you are, thank you for reminding us that dreams really do come true. I love you so much. Wala kang magagawa. You signed away your rights. You know, maiiyak na ako. Pero I love you so much. I never imagined that I could love you even more after 10 years of being together. And I'm excited to spend 10 more lifetimes with you. I love you. I love you.
I love you, baby.
Sabi ko, nanay at tatay na. Astig lang dapat kasi ako.
Everybody, KZ!